Exercise 19.1, question 1. Okay, now we're not necessarily being asked to do question 1 here, I was actually asked to do question 2. Describe in words what each function machine does to the inputs. The inputs, 6 gets taken away from the inputs. That's the answer for part 1. 6 gets taken away from the input. And since my handwriting is so dodgy, I'm just going to type this out instead. Okay, number 2. What does this one do? The input gets multiplied by... Anybody? Okay, number 3. Input gets... What happens? Input gets multiplied by 2 and then the result gets 1 added onto it. Does anybody else need me to do any more of these? What about 4 parts? We'll do 1 part 6 last, okay? 1 part 6. The input... Lads, who can tell me what number 6 is? The input, what happens to the input? Gets 6 taken away from it. Sorry, gets 5 taken away from it. And then the result is multiplied by... Handy enough, isn't it? Not too bad. Okay, it's just something different. That's what probably catches out. Will I leave that up or move on? What? You okay? Right, number 4. Now, use a copy this table and fill in the values for y. Okay. First of all, x equals the number 1. 1 plus 2. 3. 3 multiplied by 3, 9. 2 plus 2, 4 multiplied by 3, 12. Okay, next one. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 multiplied by 3. Does anybody see a sequence going on now? It goes up by 3 every. Next one will be 18, and the one after that? 21. Write in words what this function machine does. What does it do? The function adds 2 onto the inputs, then the result is multiplied by 3. That's it. Who got that one out? The majority. Next one. Number 9. Who wants me to, which one do you want me to do? 9 part 4, yeah? Okay. A number is multiplied by 3 and then 1 is taken away from it. What happens, Brian? 3 multiplied by x, 3 multiplied by the input, take away 1 is 11. Move over. 3x equals 12. X equals 4. The input must be 4. Next one. 3x minus 1 equals 23. What is the input this time? 3x equals... Anybody? 24. X equals 8. The input for the second one is 8. And finally the last one. 3x minus 1 is 29. Bring over the 1. 3x equals 30. X equals 10. Who got those 3 numbers out last night? 4, 8 and 10. Okay, majority. That's